How-to guide on how to clean the detergent drawer on your Beko Basic Beko Washing Machine. So, okay, your drawer, pull it out. Then to pull it out, you will locate this blue button on the softener grate. Push it down and pull. And that's how to get it out. And then what you want to do is get a toothbrush or a brush and clean on the inside, all inside here, and on the top here where the jets are, to get rid of any mould or detergent build-up. But we'll go and clean this for now. Run the hot water tap. Clean drill using or don't have much liquid help. And use the soft side of the sponge to get the majority of it out. And use the real side on the drill bait itself. And just use the soft side just to wipe the front off. Finally, if you just want to get into those hard to get areas, just get a toothbrush. Just run the hot water tap through the exit hole for the softener. How's that looking? A lot cleaner. Again, just run the hot water. Get any excess build-up of softener or detergent that's clogging it, maybe. If you're having trouble with the softener compartment filling up with water, just standing there after the cycle's finished. Right, that's done. What we'll do is just quickly get this rinse off. There we are, one immaculate clean drawer. Right, just get your softener grate. Locate this over top of this. And then you can clip both these sides down. Right, so go back to the drawer now. What you need to do, grab the drawer, line it up either side, push, and then push down on the blue button to get it in, push all the way, and there you go. Grab a dry cloth or towel, just rub the front plastic, and there you are. That is the how-to guide on how to clean your drawer on your Beko Basic Range Washing Machine. Thank you for watching.